fish or is that? Got one. We got one, Kyra. We got one, girl. Ha ha ha. Woo! Fish on! We got one, Kyra. We got one. We got one. It's a big one too, Kyra. Wow. Oh my goodness, we got a monster here. Wow, nice. So nice. I tell you, when you catch a nice size fish, you know you got a good day going on. And it is fighting. It's still fighting. It's a walleye. Okay. It's a walleye. Okay, we gotta get the net out. Okay, let's get the net out. We gotta flip it over. We gotta bring it over, put it in the net. There we go. We did it, Kyra. Got ourselves a walleye. Okay, so that's okay. Stay, Kyra. It's okay. You're gonna get to see it. You're gonna get to see it. Just gotta wait. Be patient. Be patient. Oh, my card. I don't have my card. But that's okay. Today we'll just call this. It's nice. Okay, sit down. Sit down. You're okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. We'll grab this. Okay, sit down, Kyra. Sit down. Sit down, Kyra. Down. Kyra, lie down. Lie down. Wow. That's a nice fish. Really nice. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down, Kyra. Lie down. Okay, so this one is 18. Okay. No, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Gorgeous. Beautiful looking too, eh? That's a nice looking fish, eh? Whoa, careful. Careful, Kyra. Careful. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Down. Down, Kyra. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. No, lie down. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. Make sure. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. There it goes. Good job.